What if a drone could shoot cinematic 8K footage, avoid obstacles in every direction, and even carry and drop payloads for fishing or outdoor use? Meet the AE60 Ultra GPS Drone, one of the craziest feature-packed drones we've seen in 2026. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're reviewing the powerful AE60 Ultra GPS Drone, a professional-style aerial photography drone featuring 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 12-kilometer digital transmission, laser obstacle avoidance, 8K camera, GPS smart flight, and an 800-gram airdrop system. Let's see if this drone is actually worth the hype. First impressions? This thing looks serious. The AE60 Ultra has a premium foldable design with a carbon fiber style body and aggressive professional drone aesthetics. Even folded, it feels compact enough for travel. But once unfolded, the drone becomes large and stable looking, perfect for outdoor aerial shooting. And yes, this drone even includes a built-in airdrop mechanism underneath the body. That instantly makes it stand out from normal consumer drones. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight, the camera system. The AE60 Ultra comes with 8K HD camera support, a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, electronic image stabilization, 110-degree adjustable camera angle, and day and night shooting modes. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal is super important because it helps stabilize footage during movement and windy conditions. That means smoother cinematic video and less shaky footage while flying. And the drone also supports adjustable aerial settings like exposure, sharpness, white balance, saturation, and contrast, which gives creators much more control over their aerial shots. This drone is built for long-distance flying. According to the specs, it supports up to 12 kilometers real-time image transmission, 5G digital relay transmission, and GPS positioning system. Now, in real-world conditions, actual range will vary depending on interference and local regulations, but even a fraction of that distance is still very impressive for this category. And unlike Wi-Fi-only drones, the AE60 Ultra uses dedicated digital transmission for more stable signal performance. Safety features are another huge upgrade here. The AE60 Ultra includes 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, detection distance up to around 15 to 20 meters, smart auto return functions. That means the drone can automatically avoid certain obstacles while flying. And if battery gets low or signal is lost, the drone can automatically return home using GPS. That's especially useful for beginners and long-range flights. Okay, now for the feature that makes this drone feel next level. The AE60 Ultra supports an 800-gram payload airdrop system. Yes, you can actually carry and drop lightweight items remotely. This opens possibilities for fishing bait drops, small delivery experiments, outdoor activities, creative drone projects. Definitely one of the coolest features on this drone. The battery is massive. The drone uses an 11.4-volt 9800 milliamp battery, which is much larger than most beginner drones. That extra battery capacity helps improve flight endurance, stability, long-distance capability. The remote controller is also interesting because it includes a built-in Android touchscreen system, large 7.2-inch display, no need for external phone connection. That makes the flying experience feel much more professional. For aerial photography lovers, outdoor adventurers, or drone hobbyists, this drone looks extremely ambitious. You get GPS intelligent flight, cinematic stabilization, obstacle avoidance, long-range digital transmission, and payload carrying capability. It almost feels like a mini professional aerial platform instead of just a toy drone. Of course, there are still some important things to remember. Actual camera quality may differ from advertised 8K marketing claims. Real-world flight time and range depend heavily on weather and signal conditions. Larger drones may require more flying experience and local regulation awareness, so always fly responsibly and safely. So, is the AE60 Ultra GPS drone worth checking out? If you want advanced GPS features, 3-axis stabilized aerial footage, long-range transmission, obstacle avoidance, huge battery capacity, and unique airdrop functionality, then this drone is definitely one of the most feature-packed drones in its category right now, especially for creators, outdoor explorers, and drone enthusiasts who want something more powerful than a basic beginner drone. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech and drone content. See you in the next video.